Okay guys, so let's learn how to create a backend application using Node.js and deploy it with MDB Go. So I'm gonna start with creation of directory, make dir, let's call it back Node.js, and let's get into it. So back Node.js, and let's open this in Visual Studio Code. So this is an empty project, obviously. So let's create a new file. Let's call it index.js, and I'm gonna use a very tiny piece of code here. So we are creating a small server. What is important to remember is that we have to listen on a port 3000. So we configure our server. We're gonna send a response hello Node.js word. And we also have some console log to verify whether everything is working fine. So this is our code. I'm gonna save it, and now coming back to command line, we have to run the following command: mdb backend publish. Now when we do that, we're gonna get an error that we need to specify platform flag. So let's do that: mdb backend publish -p, so this is the shorter version of the flag, and we're gonna get error again because we need to specify specific version of the server. So let's say I'm gonna say node, and then again, this is not the proper name, but we're gonna get as an error, we're gonna get the list of allowed backend platforms. So you can see we have node 8, 10, 12, and so on. So let's finally choose a proper one. So we're gonna use node 12 and publish this. We're gonna be asked about which package manager do we want to use. I'm gonna use npm, and then again I'm gonna go through all the default values. Obviously you can adjust them if you want, and this will deploy our application. So as soon as application is deployed, we can do mdb logs and choose our application. So this is back Node.js, and we're gonna see console log from our application. So it seems that everything is working fine. So let's verify that. Let's copy the URL of our application, and let's open it in a web browser. And this is our application, which is already deployed to MDB Go servers.